We've got Cynful ranch-style rice and beans. Start out by browning your ground meat. We have about 2 pounds of ground beef here. Just gonna get it good and brown. Break it all up. Drain the fat. Go ahead and add your peppers and onions and stir those in. Cook those until the onions start to become translucent and the peppers begin to get a little soft. Add salt and pepper. And then add some garlic powder once you get all that pepper in. Right there. Stir all that in. Add your ranch-style beans. Now save one of those cans because that's your measuring device for the rest of this recipe. We're going to use 2 cans of beef broth. And then 1 can of your rice. Remember, it's always a 2-to-1 ratio, so 2 cans of liquid to 1 can of rice. Go ahead and bring it to a simmer and put a cover on it. Cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. If you're using minute rice, use their package directions. And then there it looks like when it's done. I put a little bit of cheese on top of it. It's a great little rice and beans recipe going back to the old Ciora rice and beans. I bet they never had any like this. I do have a recipe link in the description, but here's your recipe anyway. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in for some rice and beans. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.